Good morning class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very fine. So today we are going to deal with the topic guarantee of profit, which is from partnership fundamental, and guarantee of profit is the last topic of our chapter. So class, first of all we need to understand what exactly means guarantee of profit. From the name itself you can understand that here we are guarantee the profit. Now we are guarantee the profit to whom? So class, guarantee is an assurance. What is that? Guarantee is an assurance given to the partner or partners of the firm that at least a fixed amount shall be given to him irrespective of actual earning. See class, you have to understand this point. What's saying here that at least a fixed amount shall be given to him irrespective of actual earning. If actual share of profit works out to be less than the guaranteed amount, in that case the deficit amount shall be borne either by the firm or by any partner as the case may be, because firm has taken or partner has taken the guarantee. So if actual amount of profit works out to be more than the guaranteed amount, in that case he is entitled to receive that actual amount. You can take the example that if A, B, C are partner and C is being guaranteed by B that you will going to get a profit of at least 1 lakh rupee, and this is a guarantee by C, sorry, this is a guarantee to C by B. Now what happens if during the finalization of account, if the firm finds that C is getting only 80,000 of rupee, that is he is getting deficit of 20,000 rupee, then that 20,000 rupees deficit is to be borne by B, because B has given the guarantee here. Okay, so when there is the case of guarantee, then we have to deal exactly what amount of guarantee the firm or the partner has given to the other partner. Okay, now see, we have a guarantee of profit. A new partner or partners may be admitted in the firm with minimum guaranteed profit from the business. Okay, see again, a new partner or partners may be admitted in the firm with minimum guaranteed profit from the business. The profit may be guaranteed to an existing or incoming, that is new partner, by who will give the guarantee? All the remaining partner in an agreed ratio, or by one or more of the existing or old partner. So the guarantee would be given by any, that is or by all the partner or by one partner. Okay, now we are moving toward the next point. Now before going through the guarantee, we must have to understand this point. See, when the guaranteed partner or new partner share of profit, okay, understand carefully, when the guaranteed partners or new partners share of profit is more than the guaranteed amount, is more than the guaranteed amount, his actual share of profit is given to him instead of guaranteed amount of profit. Now what is happening here, that we are asking partner to join the partnership firm. So how a person would join the partnership? Then we must give him some kind of grade, and the grade is the guarantee. So at that time the partner would eventually join the firm. So it is saying that when a guaranteed partner share of profit is more than the guaranteed amount, like in the previous example I have told that C is having a guarantee of 1 lakh of rupees, now he is getting more than 1 lakh of rupees, then his actual share of profit is given to him, then his actual share of profit is given to him. See, the case is here we are guaranteeing to give him at least the stipulated amount. If more than the amount is being provided, then it would be in a normal case, as the case may be, that would he would be provided the whatever the amount he is getting in the case of the profit. Now we have certain cases. The first case is when guarantee of profit, okay, when guarantee of profit by all the remaining partner in old or specific ratio. See, The case is when all the remaining partners guarantee the guaranteed partner shall be given minimum amount of profit. Okay, then we have to follow the two step, that is share of profit as per the profit sharing ratio is determined, and then minimum guaranteed profit is determined, that is minimum guaranteed profit is determined. Now to understand this case, I have one example. Let's go through the example. Now before going to example, we have an accounting entry. Now on distributing profit, as there is no guarantee agreement, if there is no guarantee agreement, we will generally distribute profit as a profit and loss appropriation account debit to all partners capital account. Now on changing deficiency to guaranteeing partner, okay, in the case of guarantee, so guaranteeing partner capital account debit to guaranteed partner capital account. Okay, now we are moving toward the example. Now we have the first example. See, it is written that A, B and C are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 4:2:1. It is provided that C's share in profit would not be less than 37,500. See class, here written that it is provided that C's share in profit would not be less than 37,500. Okay, profit for the year was 1,57,500. Now pass journal entries in the book of firm and prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, now ABC are partner, profit has been made, so we will transfer this amount to profit and loss appropriation account. What we will write? Profit and loss appropriation account debit to, profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, and then what we will do? We will simply distribute the amount between A, B and C. Entry will be profit and loss appropriation account debit to partners capital account, that is to A's capital, to B's capital, to C's capital. Now we have to find whether the C is getting the guaranteed amount or is getting the lesser amount. Okay, now C. Okay, C class, profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account 1,57,500 being the net profit transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Then we are transferring that amount to the partners capital. So profit and loss appropriation account debit to A's capital, to B's capital and to C's capital. Now see, C is getting rupees 22,500 and C is having in a guarantee of 37,500. So we will come back to this point. So we have to calculate the amount of deficiency to C. Now see here, distribution of profit. See, divide net profit of 1,57,500 in the ratio of 4:2:1. See, A is getting 90,000, B is getting 45,000 and C is getting 22,500. Now the next point, however, C's minimum guaranteed profit is 37,500. So how much is the deficiency? Deficiency is 15,000 rupees. Now who will bond the deficiency? Deficiency will be borne by A and B. Now ratio has not been given. So whatever the PSR in that ratio only, that 15,000 should be divided between A and B. So 15,000 divide 15,000 in the ratio of 4:2 or 2:1, you will get 10,000 and 5,000. The thing is, in this case, whatever the amount of profit A was getting, he will get 10,000 less, and what the B was getting, he will get less 5,000. Okay, now share of profit, A was getting 90,000, he has to provide deficiency of 10,000, then his new profit would be 10,000. B was getting 45,000, now he will get less 5,000, 40,000. Now how much the C will get? C was getting 22,500. He is getting 10,000 from A and 5,000 from B. See, his account has been balanced. It will be 37,500. Now we will move towards the new profit and loss appropriation account. See here. So by profit and loss account, net profit 1,57,500. So to A's capital account 90,000 minus C's deficiency 10,000. A will get 80,000. B's capital 45,000. C's share in deficiency 5,000. He will get 40,000. Now C was getting 22,500. Now deficiency recovered from A and B 10,000, 5,000. Now he has the profit of 37,500 as guaranteed by the partner. Okay, account has been balanced. Now come again to the journal. So what we have to do now? We have to do A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to C's capital account. So what was the case? Guaranteeing partner's capital account debit to guaranteed partner capital account. Who has given the guarantee? A and B. So A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit. And who has the guaranteed partner? C was the guaranteed partner. So we will write to C's capital account, and in this way we have solved this first question. Okay, look at the question once more. First, second, and then third. Now we have the second case, when guarantee of profit by one or more of the existing or old partner. So we have to do the same thing. When one of the existing or old partner guarantee a minimum profit, the adjustment is made through partner's capital account. So to understand this case, we will go to the second example. Okay, let's see. We have the second example. As it is clear, you can see that P, Q and R are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:4:1. Okay, R is guaranteed that his share of profit in any year will not be less than 50,000. Now the case is, the profit for the year ending 31st March 2019 is 3,50,000. Okay, amount of shortfall in profit of R will be borne by P and Q in the ratio of 3:2. See what is happening here? Here it is saying that whatever the deficiency occur or shortfall occur, that shortfall would be distributed among P and Q in the ratio of 3:2, not in the ratio of 5:4:1. Okay, so what we have to do? Pass necessary journal entry regarding deficiency borne by P and Q. See, before going through the journal, you have to gather the required information. First of all, how much is the profit? 3,50,000. Okay, now you have to distribute 3,50,000 in the ratio of 5:4:1 to get the knowledge about is there any kind of deficiency occurs or not. See, P was getting 175, Q 1,40,000 and R 35,000. So here R is getting 35,000, but according to question, R is guaranteed for 50,000 of rupees. So there is the shortfall. How much is the shortfall? 15,000 rupees. That is 50,000 minus 35,000. We have the deficiency of 15,000. Now that deficiency would be borne by P and Q in the ratio of 3:2. See here, I have made the deficiency column 2. So if we distribute 15,000 in the ratio of 3:2, now how much P has to give? P has to provide 9,000 rupees and Q has to provide 6,000 rupees. Now the case is, P will get less 9,000, that is 1,75,000 minus 9,000 new amount, and how much Q will get? 1,40,000 minus 6,000. And how much R will get? R will get exact of 50,000 of rupees. Okay, is it clear? See, so the journal entry will be P's capital account debit, Q's capital account debit to R's capital account. What was the journal for pro forma? Guaranteeing partner capital account debit to guaranteed partner capital account. I hope class this is clear for you. Okay, now we have the next case. So we have to find out what would happen if the guarantee of minimum profit to a partner in case of loss. Okay, it is not necessary that each and every year firm will gain profit only. Sometimes it will gain loss also, or it will earn loss also. So at that case, what we need to do? So it is possible that the firm has incurred loss, but minimum guaranteed profit is to be paid to the partner who has been guaranteed minimum profit. In such a case, adjustment is made through partner's capital account. Okay, what you have to do? Distribute loss among all the partners in their PSR, including the guaranteed partner. Okay, capital account of guaranteed partner is credited with the guaranteed minimum profit plus the net amount of loss. So this amount is debited to remaining partners in their PSR or to debit of the partner who has guaranteed minimum profit. See this point clearly? Okay, to make you understand this, I have one short example. Go through the example. Okay class, see the question. Okay. A, B and C are partners having capitals of rupees 10 lakh, 8 lakh and 6 lakh respectively in a firm, sharing profits and losses equally. C is guaranteed a minimum profit of 1 lakh rupees as share of profit every year. See, the case has changed. The firm has incurred a loss of 3 lakh for the year ended 31st March 2019. You are required to show the necessary account for division loss and giving effect to minimum profit to C. Now, to solve this type of question, you have to follow this step. Okay, what we have to do, distribute loss among the partner in their PSR, and second case, capital account of guaranteed partner is credited with guaranteed minimum profit plus the amount of loss. That is, here you have to create the partner's capital account. Okay, you have understood the concept should be clear enough. Now we are moving towards the solution. See, first of all, we need to create the profit and loss appropriation account. So there is the loss. So what we will write? Profit and loss appropriation account debit to profit and loss account. To profit and loss, net loss of 3 lakh. Now this loss to be transferred to partner's capital account. A's capital, B's capital, C's capital. So 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh has been transferred. Now see, we have to create the partner's capital account. Okay. Now see, we have the by balance BD, that is the opening balance. Opening balance is 10 lakh, 8 lakh and then 6 lakh. Okay. Now C is guaranteed a profit of 1 lakh per annum. Loss incurred by the firm is 3 lakh, out of which 1 lakh is debited to C's capital account. Therefore, C's capital account is to be credited by the amount of deficiency of rupees 2 lakh. That is 1 lakh share of loss debited plus 1 lakh guaranteed profit, which is shared equally by A and B. See, we have written by A's capital, that is A's capital account debit to partner's capital account. So by A's capital 1 lakh, by B's capital 1 lakh. Where this amount would be given? In the C's column, because both will contribute. Now C's capital account, that is guaranteed profit, would be 1 lakh by A and 1 lakh by B. So partner's capital account debit to C's capital account, guaranteed profit of 1 lakh and 1 lakh. Now the thing is, we have to make the balance. So A's account 10 lakh, B's account 8 lakh and C's account 8 lakh. Now we are getting the balancing figure of A 8 lakh, B 6 lakh and C 7 lakh. Okay. See, that became our balance CD. Now this balance CD will again become the by balance BD 8 lakh, 6 lakh and 7 lakh. So class, in this way we can make this thing clear by transferring the amount to the respective partner's capital account. Because this thing you should make it clear that whatever the amount partner has been guaranteed, that is to be distributed by the partner in the agreed ratio. So class, that was all set for today. Now we will go with, now it's your work to go with some of the question and get maximum benefit from these things. And whatever the doubt you are getting, you must discuss with me. Okay class, then thank you very much. Thank you for your cooperation.